So we know the winds have been around. How long are they going to stick around? Let's check in with Heather.
Well, that all depends on where you are. It is going to stay breezy for the entire valley tonight and into Wednesday morning. It's the west side of the valley where those winds are going to get strongest. Here are the latest peak wind gusts, anywhere between 20 and 30 miles per hour up and down the valley. Those are our major reporting sites. I was taking a look at some of the smaller locations. PG&E has a bunch of weather stations up and down the west side of the valley where we're expecting the strongest winds. There was one weather station there in North Winters that has reported a wind gust as high as 48 miles per hour. Now, I'm going to show you a view of Interstate 80 at Chiles. It's right along the causeway. If you get a little motion sick, just look away for a few seconds because this camera is moving. Well, it was moving quite a bit, shaking around in the wind. And there you see the backup still lingering. We were talking about that a few moments ago. We can't confirm what caused that tractor trailer to overturn, but we do know, of course, that the causeway on a windy day is one of the windiest spots in Sacramento and Yolo counties. So yeah, we'll be keeping an eye on that and expect it to be windy along 80 through the morning commute on Wednesday as well. There's another look at the flags. There you go, Gulston. Now the American flag's moving along with it too. Wind gusts will get stronger on the west side of the valley through tonight. If you're in Sacramento, Yuba City, Stockton, the wind isn't going to get any stronger compared to what we're already seeing right now. Wednesday morning is going to be windy on the west side of the valley especially. It will be breezy along I-5 and areas to the east, but again, our focus is going to be the west side of the valley. Yolo County, Solano County, getting into Napa County, and getting into likely Sonoma County there as well. By the time we get to the afternoon, things will improve. It will be a slow process, though, for the west side of the valley. So here's the timeline for Solano County. This is starting tomorrow morning. This line here, sustained winds around 30 miles per hour, which means the ceiling for those gusts will be up around 50 miles per hour. Once we get past, say, 3 p.m., we'll see a noticeable drop in the winds. Now, for comparison, here's Sacramento. This line, a sustained wind of 20 miles per hour. So already the sustained winds expected to be quite a bit lighter. It will be breezy with occasional gusts to 30 miles per hour, but we're not expecting to see too many wind issues around the Sacramento metro area, with the exception, again, being Interstate 80 there along the causeway. Here's what's going to happen as we go forward in time. High pressure moves in for Thursday and Friday. That'll settle the winds. We'll see sunshine. We're keeping an eye on the weekend. Models now showing maybe a few rain and snow showers, but overnight Saturday into Sunday, this is 4 a.m., not seeing a big impact for Saturday or Sunday plans during the day. Then we're keeping an eye on that system you just saw there Monday into Tuesday. Could be a good chance for some widespread rain and some mountain snow on Veterans Day. If you've got the day off and you're making some plans, keep that forecast in the back of your mind. Back to you.
All right, will do, Heather. Thanks as always. Well, the costly Boeing strike is finally over.
Why employees say they're conflicted over the new agreement.